It's not an issue solely for Brown or solely for anybody. Because again, you all on the same boat. This might be a smaller boat than the boat I was talking about before, but this particular boat has to float. And it can float only when you have those kinds of avenues open, even though there's going to be power struggles and insecurities and jealousies. It's human, all too human that these will be there, but we have to get also beyond it to recognize too many students coming through whose potential is not being realized, whose energies are being wasted, and we can do better than that. And that's a challenge. Faculty, administration, and I would add staff. University can't function without working people keeping it going. Can't function for students or for faculty in that regard. So that's how. I got one more question in the back. One more question. Just one more quick one. Yes, because I know he's been raising his hand a long time now, with great intention.
My question was about the attention rate.
Oh, let's take it. All right. Okay, I know we got to run. Thank you so very much. Take good care. Good luck to you.